Subramaniam Swamy wants to build the BJP in Tamil Nadu, but in this case he seems to have got it completely wrong. At least he says that Vaiko wants to spread secessionism in Tamil Nadu, but in this case perhaps Subramaniam Swamy will end up losing ground. Subramaniam Swamy with us on the debate, and along with him Sumant C. Raman, political analyst. There is Dr. E.M. Sudarsana Nachiyappan, Member of Parliament of the Congress, and Raj Shekhar, who is an advocate from Chennai, leans towards Jayalalitha. Mr. Nachiyappan, Subramaniam Swamy declares war on everyone except Mr. Rajapakse on this one. Will it help him build the BJP support base in Tamil Nadu, or will it isolate him? And by the way, for our viewers, whether you agree or disagree with Swamy, you can tweet using the hashtag #IsSwamyRight. And I know there is an army of Swamy supporters there on the internet, but they must be rational while expressing their point of view. Yes, Mr. Nachiyappan. Is Swamy right or wrong this time?
Dr. Ram, Dr. Subramaniam Swamy is a well-known person of bringing negative issues always.
Okay.
And he has got not completed any of the issue in his lifetime. Everything is in the middle. He used to create a chaos and go away. Now he is taking up the issue against the Tamil people who are living in Tamil Nadu and also in the Sri Lanka. His stand is totally against the Tamils feeling, and he exposes the BJP support for his views also. Subramaniam Swamy, it is better to take off his hand from that issue and leave the issue to the diplomatic channel so that the matter can be settled and the fishermen can return to their motherland.
Subramaniam Swamy, why do you choose to be against, the views of the majority of the Tamil people here? Why have you got it wrong, and are you myopic in the way you address issues, as the Congress Member of Parliament has alleged?
Well, I don't know how you know this is what is the majority opinion of the Tamils. The Vaiko party in alliance with BJP contested 8 seats, and they lost all 8 of them, of which 7 they lost deposit. Congress
don't bring politics into
miserable
this.
Show. Come on now, let me finish. Don't give me, first you say majority opinion, you are an ignoramus, you see. You don't know what the Tamil opinion is. I know, I was there in Tamil Nadu today. You were saying massive protests all over Tamil Nadu. There was only one place in a park in Chennai, and that was Vaiko's, with Prabhakaran's photograph showing. I'm sure you're very proud of him displaying Prabhakaran's photograph
in India. Come to the point, Dr. Swamy, don't get past. Come to the point.
One of the most traitorous things to do.
Come to the point.
So, let me say that the vast majority of the Tamil people, they want law and order, they want peace, they are fed up with this Sri Lankan problem. They want to go on with their own business.
Are you saying the vast majority of the Tamil people want the 5 Tamil fishermen to be hanged in Sri Lanka? Or are you saying so?
Don't
One
be
second.
Stupid.
Are you saying so?
Don't be stupid.
Because you no, I am not being stupid. I am not being stupid.
Don't be stupid.
I am asking you whether you think people want these 5 people hanged.
Why? Don't be stupid.
Sir, this question is very simple.
I'll tell you what the majority view is.
Do they want the 5 fishermen hanged?
I'll tell you what the majority view is. You're an ignorant man.
That's all right. You're repeating yourself. Answer the question.
Let me tell you, I had said that there is a bilateral agreement between India and Sri Lanka, and you should use that to bring the fishermen who have been convicted to death to India to face further proceedings and appeal in India. That is what I said. I want them to be hanged. Well, where did you pick up this? You've been talking to Vaiko too much.
Mr. Swamy, if you were only to be factual and not either emotional or personal in your response,
factual?
I would much appreciate.
What did you say?
I'll tell you because I'm not scared. I'm not scared to take you on this. The fact is, Mr. Swamy, the fact is, Mr. Swamy, that you have reportedly written a letter, and please give me the opportunity to just explain why I think you are completely and utterly wrong. And I'm sorry to say this. I have to say this directly to you, Mr. Swamy. You have reportedly.
Tell me what letter I wrote saying that they should be hanged. What a stupid thing to say.
So will you hear me on this?
Make up these.
Will you hear me on this? You have a frequent flyer ticket to Sri Lanka. Hear me on this.
Letter. Tell me which letter I have said they should be hanged.
I'll
tell. Prevaricate.
Mr. Swamy, please listen. You have written a letter to the Prime Minister urging him to bring. Sir, just because you think I'm going to. Just because you think I'm going to break down your argument piece by piece and point by point. So don't worry. Don't worry. Don't worry.
Which letter I wrote?
It's all right. I'll explain to you, Dr. Swami. Dr. Swami, it's okay. Please, I
read
said
the letter.
Sir, I have your letter and I can read it. Don't get
yourself.
It's all right. Calm down. Now the question is.
Yeah, calm down. What is the question of calming down? You utter all the stupidity.
Sir, you see.
And I'm supposed to keep calm. What are you talking about? I'm shocked that you're wasting the Times of India money and putting out such putrid stuff.
I'll tell you. Neither criticism nor praise.
Read it out.
1 second.
Where I've said
1 second. I'll read out everything tonight. No, 1 second. Neither criticism
read it out.
nor praise.
First you read it out.
Nor flattery, nor insults matter to me. I expect nothing else from politicians.
Twitter crowd.
So the question is, Raj Shekharan and Sumanth Raman can come in. Let's go to Raj Shekharan first.
You liar?
Mr. Swami.
Where is the letter?
Mr. Swami, you have reportedly written a letter to Prime Minister Modi urging him to bring these 5 fishermen back. Now it is a well-known fact. It is a well-known fact that you have more than a good relationship with Mr. Rajapakse, don't you? Don't you?
I have relations with many leaders of the world.
And you meet him on multiple occasions, don't you?
What?
Don't you meet Rajapakse on multiple occasions, don't you?
I have met him much less than I met the Chinese leaders.
So why don't you write to Rajapakse?
Now don't be stupid.
Stupid. Why don't you write to Rajapakse? When I ask you a straight question, you say stupid. 1 second. 1 second. Mr. Rajashekharan is coming in. Mr. Rajashekharan is coming into the debate. 1 second, Mr. Raman. Mr. Raman, please, you see.
Where is the letter, you liar?
Mr. Swami, you see, you are, I think, indulging yourself right now. Have you written a letter to Mr. Rajapakse? Have you written ask yourself a logical question instead of getting emotional here.
Now you're changing.
Who can intervene more? Who can intervene more in the judicial process in Sri Lanka? Rajapakse or Narendra Modi? There you don't have an answer now. Now you don't have an answer to that. That's it. You don't even have an answer to that now, Mr. Swami.
There is a bilateral agreement.
You don't even have an answer to that.
Those 5 people who have been convicted should be brought to India
I told you, Mr.
That is what I said.
I told you. It is a well-known fact. You see, Mr. Swami is getting angry tonight. Why is Mr. Swami getting angry?
What do you mean getting angry? Oh, you are utter lies and I'm supposed to keep quiet.
No, you're not supposed to. But it is a well-known fact that you are an influential person.
Without understanding.
1 second, Mr. Rajashekharan. Okay, sir, we have 2 more guests in Chennai. Can I go to them?
To be a complete liar.
Or Mr. Swami, there are 2 more guests in the Chennai studio. Can I go to? Sir, you keep repeating.
Liar.
Sir, you keep repeating liar. Now I find it terribly amusing. Now what I'm saying tonight is What I am saying tonight, Ms. Dr. Swami, please listen, please. You see, logically speaking, Subramaniam Swami is a very influential person when it comes to dealing with the Sri Lankan government. I am asking him, why does he not take the next flight to Sri Lanka and use his good offices to bring the 5 fishermen back? Why doesn't he do that?
I did.
Why doesn't he do that?
Why should he do that just
Why
now?
shouldn't he do that?
I have told him
if you are for the Tamil people, why don't you do that?
Why don't you read the letter?
But why don't you do that? Why don't you take the flight to Sri Lanka, meet your friend Rajapakse and tell him to release the 5 prisoners?
Right away?
5 prisoners.
I have to prepare the ground. I have to talk to my government.
Now you have to talk to your government. Now you have to talk to you. Did you take the permission of the government the last time you went and negotiated?
Use your brains. If you have any, that is.
That's all right. Sir, viewers will appreciate if you are factual and not emotional in your response. I'd like to get Rajashekharan and Sumanth Raman in.
You told a lie.
Rajasekharan and Sumanth Raman into the debate, please, Mr. Rajashekharan.
They should be hanged.
Mr. Rajashekharan.
What a liar you are. Admit that you are a liar.
Mr. Rajashekharan first, please. After that, Sumanth Raman. Mr. Rajashekharan first.